Hello, hello. Welcome to this week's Tuesday. Let's start again. Hello, hello. Hello. Welcome to this week's How To Tuesday. We're gonna do some painting today. It's been a while. I've been doing my 10 minutes of anything challenge for August every single day. I'm proud to say I'm on day 16. I haven't dropped a day. Even if I got it in under the wire, I still got it in. I've been having so much fun, you guys, so much fun. And at first I was gonna do my journal in like charcoal and Stabilo, black Stabilo all, and my elegant writer. I thought that way, and graphite. I thought that would be a cool entire journal. And I did my first several pieces with a combination or just one of those. And then I thought, I can't. I need to paint. It's been a long time since I painted. So I painted a picture in my journal, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I wanted to get it because this is my Ranger Ink Delusions journal, and I wanted to show you. Oh, I went too far. This one, I did this. So much fun. We're not going to do this because I didn't film it, but we're going to do sort of a version of it. Probably, I don't know. I say probably not as bright, but you know me, I love the neons. I love the neons, and I just happened to grab the neon paints. So, yeah, it might happen, it might not. I don't know. But we're gonna go with this, okay? We're gonna go with this. But not her. She's gonna look a little different, perhaps. I don't know. You know, I like to go with the flow, and if my muse is saying not today or let's try this today, then I try to follow, because art is meant to be fun, you guys. It's meant to be fun. So, and that's what I'm getting from this 10 minutes a day, 10 minutes of anything challenge. I'm getting that fun back. I'm getting the fun back because I have so much responsibility that's tied to my creating that sometimes you lose the fun. So this was really good tool for me to find the fun again, because you know, when you're a creative and you get into the business of being creative because you love it so much and you want to share it with, for me, I wanted to share it with the world. And because I have, you know, 23 years of teaching under my belt, and it just was kind of a natural thing for me. I just wanted to express and share and teach and have classes and workshops and, you know, all that kind of stuff. But you lose kind of the magic of creating because it's always on a schedule, it's always on a deadline. So doing this 10 minutes of anything has really freed me and allowed me to find joy again. And not that I wasn't joyful about my work, because I always, you know, you can tell my videos, I get super excited about stuff. But I guess there were no restrictions. Maybe that's what the freedom is that there's been no restrictions to it. So I can do anything. It's not just portrait based, it's been anything. So super fun. So I thought I would do something to that respect, but different because it's who I am. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for being here and joining me every Tuesday of the week, every week. If you like what you're seeing and you're enjoying How To Tuesdays, please like and subscribe and click the bell so that you get the personal notifications. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I do have a Patreon channel. If you're sort of kind of been thinking about it, not sure about it, you guys, we're having so much fun. The number one cool thing is that you get the real-time version of my How To Tuesdays. And if you join, or for those of you that have joined, a big shout out, huge thank you for your support. I have something in the works for you guys as a thank you. So, but I've said too much. I like surprises. But with you joining, it allows me to keep doing what I get to do, which is this. I get to provide free content and stuff because I have now made this my full-time job. COVID completely shifted everything for me and allowed me to really hit the ground running and make this my full-time career. And I have transitioned to that. So when you guys join me on Patreon, I can continue to do this and give you guys, provide for you guys, and show you guys and teach you guys. So thank you. Okay, so let's get started to the supplies. I have a couple different blacks. My black gesso is probably the one I'll use. These are craft paints, Craft Smart paints that may or may not use all of them, not sure, but they're super easy, inexpensive. Anybody can get these, are really inexpensive. I have orange gesso from, I think I got this from, it's whole bean acrylics. I think I got this from Dick Blick. I'm pretty sure. And then I think they also sell colored gesso, whole beans on Amazon too. And then just Liquitex gesso, because you never know. I grabbed my Carbothello chalk pastel pencils because I love them. And then this is Strathmore 184 pound mixed media toned tanned paper. I'm obsessed, you guys. I'm obsessed with this paper. Obsessed. And that's what I've taped down. I've used Pro Artist tape to tape it down. This guy right here. I love it. Does 98.5% of the time, it works really well. And it's usually user error. So I try to really, heat everything first and then peel slowly, all the tricks. And then I grabbed a couple different size paintbrushes. This one's mostly for my just, laying it down in the background. And then these are more detail-y. And then I grabbed my couple different erasers. This is a Pentel Click It. And this is a Mononoke Tombow eraser. I like it because, only a little bit comes out at a time. And if it's too much, I can always push it in and push it back down. And double click, a couple clicks, and then back out. I grabbed a couple different, I grabbed my black and white charcoal. One is softer, one is hard. This is an HB hard. This is an H4B soft. And then just my white charcoal from Generals. And a black Stabilo all. I'm not entirely sure I'll be using this, but I did grab it. A couple different blending stumps, one for graphite, one for charcoal. I also want to grab, one for my Carbothellos too. It's starting to, uh-oh, now I've done it. No! Well, you saw it here. Oh no, I think I ruined my thing. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, got a little crazy there. Wow, I'll have to tape that down. Silly, silly. Okay, so I got that. So one side is for my cools and one side is for my warm chalk pastels. I also grabbed a few of my Uniball Signo white gel pens, just in case. And some water, my heat gun, and I think that's it. So we're gonna get started. Again, thank you so much for being here. You guys rock. You make my job so much fun. I thank you, I thank you, I thank you. All right, let's get started. I think she's finished. Voila. You guys, there's really, this is sky's the limits for sure. I'm gonna start heating the sides so I can take off the tape. Show you one crisp edge. Notice I heated it and then I pull it flat against the table. And go slow. Look at them apples. She's looking good. Sometimes it likes to rip on the corners. It bugs me, it makes me so... But I try to be so careful. See, I don't know why it does that, other than to annoy me. So then you can come in and sign it with a white or a black, and you're done. And voila, she's finished. Yay, I love these pops, these bright pops of color. Perfect. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much for my patron support. Thank you for my viewers. If you like what you're seeing and you're enjoying How To Tuesday, please like and subscribe, you guys, okay? Take care. Bye. See you next week.